all. I am Jashwant Kumar S and my register number is 20BC0139. I choose the topic for role play is life cycle of a test bug, that is a bug in SDLC. We can briefly see about what are the types in bug in SDLC. There are many bugs are there. We can see one by one. First, to see the definition of bug in SDLC. A bug in SDLC is nothing but a software bug in an error or fault in a computer program, making it behave in unexpected ways, and bugs can be present at any stage during SDLC or at the designing phase, development phase, user acceptance, or at the designing phase and development phase and user acceptance testing phase, or even by the user. Let's see the diagram about bug in SDLC. There are two phases in bug in SDLC. One is bug in phase and bug out phase. Bug in phase is like the inputs are coming into the design coding requirement, and there is everyone should go for a testing, and the testing is over, then come to the classify the bug and isolate the bug and resolve the bug. In bug phase, there are first some error are there, then go for a requirement, and the output is having some bug, and go for a design, and then also some bugs are there, and then go for coding, and finally go to testing. If the test is over, then the output is coming like a failure, and check the classify what is the bug in, so we can classify the bug, and incident will be done. So finally isolate the bug and receive the bug. This is the complete diagram for bug in SDLC. This is the main part, so we can see briefly hereafter. So bug life cycle is nothing but there are major three bugs are there: requirement bug, design bug, coding bug. In requirement bug there are four types. In coding bug there are many types, like 6 to 7 types. So we can see one by one. In requirement bug, the first bug is design bug. Design bug is nothing but there are some defects or involved in manufacture fault or design part is called the design bug. And control flow bug is nothing but I am changing the control between the model is called control flow bug. And logic bug is nothing but I am changing the sequence of the logic is a logic bug. The race condition bug is nothing but module are coupling each other. It is known as race condition bug. The next type is coding bug. In coding bug, the first bug is processing bug. Processing bug is nothing but if I miss the exact processing what the customer is expected is called a processing bug. And next one is data flow bug. The data flow bug is called like if I missed the flow of data during the execution is called data flow bug. And the next one is control flow bug. If I miss the control during the execution process is called control flow bug. Like if I miss the control statement, if I miss the control statement is called control flow bug. And next, error handling bug. The main error handling bug is if you create any project in your college, you definitely include the error handling bug, because if the output is like you can check the output. In the output, if you type your username and password, then there is no error handling, then definitely it shows your username and password is incorrect. So it is called a error handling bug. It is mainly involved in the project. And boundary related bug is nothing but if I declared the array to store n values, but I try to store n plus 1 values, it's called boundary related bug. And user interface bug is if you create one project but the customer is not happy with your interface, the interface is not like a good, so it is called user interface bug. And system bug is nothing but your project, your project is not working on your environment, what I say, your project is mm, not known to anyone, like your project is not developed very well, so it is called system bug. Next we can see the bug levels in SDLC. There are 4 bug levels: critical bug, major bug, moderate bug and minor bug. A critical bug is nothing but when I run the program, suddenly the system is shut down. It is called critical bug. If you create one program like adding 2 numbers in your system, you can type the code for that. Suddenly the system is shut down. This example of critical bug. And major bug is nothing but if you done very well, the code done very well, the code execute very well, the code is fully correct, but you can't get the expected output. Like when I run the program is running properly, but I can't expect the exact output. It is called a major bug. Next one is moderate bug. Moderate bug is mainly placed in many systems, many users. Like the main problem for everyone. It's nothing but when I run the program is running properly, but there is a infinite execution was happened. Like many execution was done, no stopping of execution. It's called a moderate bug. And final one is minor bug. Minor bug is nothing but when I run the program, it shows error during the execution. It's like a compiler error. It's a normal error only. If you run the program, it shows some error like the variables are missing, the character are missing, like that. It is called a minor bug. That's all. We can conclude that. What are all the topics we can see today's, bug in SDLC, definition of bug in SDLC, and what are all the bugs are involved in SDLC, 3 types of bug: requirement bug, design bug and control bug. In requirement bug there are many types, and control flow bug also there are many types. And finally we see about bug levels in SDLC. There are 4 bug levels are there: critical bug, major bug, minor bug and moderate bug. That's all. I think you can understand the concept very well. That's all. Thank you so much for seeing the video. Bye.